Good afternoon. Nobody is above the law, least of all those elected to represent it and their constituents. The former Secretary of State for Work and Pensions' refusals to join reasonable invitations to mediation with CEDAW in law were found to be unlawful by our legal team. Thus, seemingly, the current Parliamentary Secretary at Her Majesty's Treasury and Parliamentary Under-Secretary for Work and Pensions, Emma Reynolds MP's meeting with another group, seemingly takes account of the found said breach of law and also the civil procedure rules, namely CPR, on Alternative Dispute Resolution, ADR, adopted on October 2024 by the courts and the Ministry of Justice. The Attorney General's new guidance on the rule of law, both UK and international laws, ratified the CEDAW Treaty and General Recommendation 40, where women's lead at decision tables under GR40. The Prime Minister's Civil Society Covenant, under development and led by the Department of Culture, Media and Sport. The current Secretary of State for Work and Pensions, Liz Kendall MP's response to CEDAW in law's reasonable invitations to join mediation is still awaited. Mediation under the new historic CPR and ADR practice rules determine that mediation can take place without the institution of legal proceedings. The precedent set by the said meeting with another group. A legal 500 firm of mediators is on standby to be considered by parties to be mediators in the matter of a financial settlement. CEDAW in law is prepared to enter mediation in good faith and in line with best practice guidance. CEDAW in law reiterates its lawful claim to mediation and repeats its reasonable invitation for the current Secretary of State for Work and Pensions to join mediation with CEDAW in law. The Prime Minister's modus operandi is to win back trust in politics. He must, under CEDAW international law, take effective measures to ensure that the increases in the state pension age do not have a discriminatory impact on all 50s women, in line with CEDAW's 8th periodic review dated March 2019. Counsel to CEDAW in law's postponed judicial review, Professor John Cooper Casey, stated, "This is an important legal challenge for all 50s women in this country. The weight of evidence under UK law indicates a grave injustice to them out of the judge's report, and we will robustly represent their interests as we move forward. We shall succeed for all 50s women." Author of the judge's report out of CEDAW in law's People's Tribunal 2022, the Honourable Dr. Jocelynne Scutt AO, stated, "Government and Parliament have a responsibility to face up to and acknowledge the grave wrong done. There is no room for obfuscation or quibbling. Historical discrimination requires relief. There is a moral imperative to right this wrong. The law is on the side of 50s women. 50s women alone are the group targeted. This is a debt of law and honour. Full restitution is the only proper legal, ethical and moral outcome. Full restitution must be honoured." Beneath this video are links to, in particular, Dr. Scutt's interview with Ian Rothwell at Salford City Radio. She outlines the legal position and the context and calls for mediation. There is also the petition which we'd like you to sign and share and call for mediation now for all 50s women at this critical juncture. And we'd like to thank everybody for all their support, and it really means a lot to us, even those who have criticised us, because actually where the criticism was invalid, that actually refueled our energy. So thank you, and please take action today. You'll see this video published on our YouTube channel shortly. Thank you.